Hello, everyone. We have Pooja with us. She got her results yesterday and she's passed the test with flying colors. Many congratulations to you, Pooja.
And thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Uh, how does it feel and how was your experience training for OET with Khaira Education?
Uh, it was actually very amazing, ma'am. And the journey was so good. Initially, I was a little nervous because it was my first time for joining any coaching or giving the exam. But as I came across with the trainers of the Khaira Education, all are very supportive and very helpful. So it was very great experience.
Oh, I'm glad that you enjoyed your journey. I know in the beginning it can be a little scary for all of us. And how does it feel now that you have put a step forward and you're reaching closer to your goal? So how does that feel now?
The feeling is very great, ma'am. And it's only possible because of the Khaira Education, all the trainers, and he was also very helpful during the writing. I know I was the only student for the physiotherapy in the class, and you provide me the personal classes for only for me. So that was very great.
That's really all right. It's all your hard work, and you were a brilliant student, and your results tell that clearly. All the very best for your journey in the future, Pooja. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.